Nature knows no waste. That is the theme for the National Marine Week 2018 that is celebrated in Mosselbay for the whole month. And part of the S.M.A.R.T exhibition and to be involved in this national campaign was to make a display of everything that has been washed up on our beaches. Most of these items have been picked up during the International Coastal Cleanup Day. That was on the 15th of September. That is ghost fishing, where poor animals get entangled into fishing gear that is just being thrown overboard. Be smart and help save our animals.